Hey everyone, welcome to this brand new tutorial series on Microsoft Agent Framework. I'm really excited to share this journey with you because we are going to build real, practical agent-powered applications step by step from basics all the way to advanced use cases. As you can see, I have set up a Blazor app to show agent in action. Each section has agent-powered live demo. After exploring a live demo, we'll go and dive into code in Visual Studio to see how it's implemented. Each video in series will contain Microsoft Agent Framework feature. I believe seeing real example helps learning experience fun and interesting. In the very first series, we'll go over setup to create OpenAI account and we will configure API key to create our first agent. After creating our first agent, in the subsequent series, we'll work with images, add a middleware, introduce tools, give a memory to agent, create MCP server, persist our agent conversation. Then at the end, we'll explore retrieval augmented generation RAG. As you can see, I have lots of exciting features to cover, so let's get started. Alright, so we are going to use OpenAI throughout this tutorial. If you want to run this Blazor app in your computer and see live in action, you need this setup. Otherwise, you can skip this section. But I highly recommend to get an OpenAI key and set the Blazor app to see that is in real action to get the most out of it. If you don't have any account, OpenAI account, you can go to the platform.openai.com to open an account. Then you need to add a valid credit card to it. So to add your valid credit card, go to the platform.openai.com settings and load minimum $5 credit to your account. Then we can get the API key from the dashboard. Before go to the OpenAI dashboard, I want to talk about NuGet packages. So we need two NuGet packages, Microsoft.agent.ai and Microsoft.agent.ai.openai. They are both pre-release at this time, so make sure you check the pre-release checkbox in NuGet Package Manager to see and download this. But if you clone my repository from GitHub, you don't need this step. It should be included. It should be working fine. All right, with that, let's go to our OpenAI dashboard to see how we can create API key. All right, I'm on OpenAI platform dashboard now, and we can create our OpenAI key. But before doing this, you need to log into their account. If you don't have any account, you need to create one. So as you can see, I'm already logged in. So let's go to the settings by typing this in. For some reason, I don't see this link from the dashboard, so I'm typing this in for now. So go to the setting page where you can add your credit card. So click on billing and click payment method to add your credit card. Once you add your credit card, you need to add minimum at least $5 credit. As you can see, I added $5 credit and I used only 4 cents. Once you are done doing that, then you can go to the API keys from the left menu to create your API key. So on that page, click create new secret key, give a name, Microsoft Agent Framework. I'm just giving a name, then default project. So I have only one project and you choose one. Take the create secret key and it will give you the API key. You need to make sure copy this and put it somewhere safe. Once you close this window, you don't get it back. Either you have to delete this and recreate for your API key. All right, now we have our first API key from OpenAI. We can configure our project to run our demo locally. We'll see that later on. Hey folks, we are on Visual Studio for first time. As you can see, I have my solution open here. You can get it from my GitHub repo and follow along. So here is one of the folder that we will explore later in our video. So MCP server, this is all related how we create our MCP server. All right, next up, we have a agent framework project right here. And as you can see, it has agent folder that contain all our agent related activities. We are going to go through one folder at a time in our subsequent video. For example, for our first agent, we are going to look into this file. As you can see, to configure our client and agent, we need a key. That is our OpenAI key. To configure this, we are going to go to appsetting.json to enter our key right here. That's what we got it from OpenAI platform dashboard. We get our key and we put it right there. The next line, we have development model. In this series, we are going to use GPT 4.0. You can change it if you want. It should work fine. Now, with that, let's go to our next video to create our very first agent.